Introducing the ultimate companion for D Pharma students, Bookwithteachers textbook for D Pharma. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to success in your D Pharma journey? Our textbooks are meticulously designed to cover the latest ER 2020 syllabus approved by Pharmacy Council of India. To the point explanations and simple content, we've simplified even the most complex topics. No more bulky textbooks. Our textbooks are concise, approximately 100 pages, yet cover 100% all core content of syllabus. We believe in visual learning, expect maximum flowcharts and diagrams to help you grasp concepts effortlessly. And here they are, the minds behind your success. Our textbook authors are India's finest pharmacy professors, with a wealth of experience and a reputation that shines as bright as their knowledge. Convenience is key. We'll deliver hard copies right to your doorstep free of charge. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to understanding. Our simplified language makes learning more interesting. Our textbooks are your secret weapon for passing exams and reaching excellence in your D Pharma studies. Get ready to ace your exams, simplify your learning, and start your journey to success with Bookwithteachers textbook for D Pharma. Visit our website or download our app today to experience the difference.